Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Leap podcast. I'm James, your host, and I'm thrilled to be here to help you boost your English skills. Today's episode is super exciting because we're sharing 75 English phrases for daily conversation. These are phrases you can use every day to sound natural and confident.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophie, your co-host, and I can't wait to dive into this. Whether you're chatting with friends, ordering coffee, or talking at work, these phrases will make your English shine. Plus, we'll explain each one, give examples, and help you practice. James, are you ready to make our listeners fluent?
Oh, absolutely, Sophie. And listeners, get ready to take notes or just listen and repeat. This episode is all about everyday English listening. Perfect for B1 learners who want to speak like natives. Let's start with a quick warm-up. Sophie, what's a phrase you use every day?
I say, how's it going? A lot. It's a casual way to ask someone how they are. For example, hey James, how's it going? What about you?
I love catch you later. It's a fun way to say goodbye, like see you soon. Okay, listeners, let's say it together. Catch you later. Great. Now, let's jump into our 75 phrases. We've split them into categories to make it easy. Greetings, asking for help, shopping, social chats, and more. Sophie, kick us off with greetings.
Perfect. Greetings are how you start a conversation. Let's do the first 5 phrases. Number 1. Hello, how are you? This is a classic way to greet someone. Classic means traditional and common. Say it with me. Hello, how are you? I use this at the store or with colleagues. For example, hello, how are you? I'm looking for bread.
Nice. Number 2, what's up? This is super casual, like saying what's happening. Say it. What's up? I say this to my friends like, hey Mike, what's up? Sophie, what's next?
Number 3. Good to see you. This shows you're happy to meet someone. For example, good to see you, Anna. It's been a while. Say it. Good to see you. Number 4. How's it going? We mentioned this earlier. It's friendly and relaxed. Try it. How's it going?
And number 5, nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone new. For example, hi, I'm James, nice to meet you. Say it. Nice to meet you. Listeners, practice these at home. Pause the video and repeat each phrase. Sophie, what's our next category?
Let's move to asking for help. Phrases you need when you're stuck. Number 6. Can you help me, please? This is polite and clear. Polite means respectful. For example, can you help me find my keys, please? Say it. Can you help me, please?
Number 7, could you tell me? This is great for asking questions. For example, could you tell me where the station is? Say it. Could you tell me? Number 8, I'm lost. Use this if you don't know where you are. For example, I'm lost. Is this the way to the park? Say it. I'm lost.
Number 9. Do you know? This is for asking about information. For example, do you know what time the shop closes? Try it. Do you know? And number 10. I don't understand. Say this if something's confusing. For example, sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Say it, I don't understand.
Awesome. These are so useful. Listeners, try this. Imagine you're lost in a city. Say, can you help me please? I'm lost. Go on, say it out loud. Sophie, let's do shopping phrases next.
Shopping is fun, and these phrases make it easier. Number 11. How much is this? Use this to ask about price. For example, how much is this jacket? Say it. How much is this? Number 12. Can I try it on? This is for clothes. For example, can I try this shirt on? Try it, can I try it on?
Number 13. Do you have this in? Use this to ask for a size or color. For example, do you have this in blue? Say it. Do you have this in? Number 14. I'm just looking. This means you don't need help yet. For example, thanks, I'm just looking. Say it. I'm just looking.
Number 15. Can you make it quick? This is polite but asks for speed. For example, can you make it quick? I'm in a hurry. Say it. Can you make it quick? These are great for stores. James, let's do social phrases now.
Social chats are about connecting with people. Number 16. What do you do? This asks about someone's job. For example, what do you do? I'm a teacher. Say it. What do you do? Number 17. That's interesting. This shows you're engaged. For example, you're a chef. That's interesting. Say it. That's interesting.
Number 18. I agree. Use this to show you have the same opinion. For example, I agree this movie is great. Say it, I agree. Number 19. What do you think? This asks for someone's opinion. For example, what do you think about this book? Try it. What do you think?
Number 20. Let's catch up soon. This means you want to talk again later. For example, it was fun. Let's catch up soon. Say it. Let's catch up soon. Wow, Sophie, we're flying through these. Let's keep going with eating out.
Eating out is so fun with these phrases. Number 21. Can I see the menu, please? This is polite for restaurants. For example, can I see the menu, please? Say it. Can I see the menu, please? Number 22. What do you recommend? This asks for suggestions. For example, what do you recommend for dessert? Try it. What do you recommend?
Number 23. Can you make it fast? This is like Sophie's shopping phrase but for food. For example, can you make it fast? I have a meeting. Say it. Can you make it fast? Number 24. Is this spicy? Use this to check food. For example, is this soup spicy? Say it. Is this spicy?
Number 25. Can I have the bill, please? This asks for the check. For example, can I have the bill, please? Say it. Can I have the bill, please? These are so handy. James, let's do phrases for agreeing and disagreeing.
Number 26. You're right, this shows agreement. For example, you're right, it's cold today. Say it. You're right. Number 27. I'm not sure. This is polite disagreement. For example, I'm not sure that's true. Say it. I'm not sure.
Number 28. That's a good point. This acknowledges someone's idea. For example, that's a good point about recycling. Try it. That's a good point. Number 29. I don't think so. This is a soft way to disagree. For example, I don't think so, it's too expensive. Say it. I don't think so.
Number 30. Let's agree to disagree. This ends a debate nicely. For example, we don't agree, so let's agree to disagree. Say it. Let's agree to disagree. Okay, Sophie, we're at 30. Let's do 45 more, but faster. Ready for phone calls?
Yes. Number 31. Can I speak to... Is this to ask for someone? For example, can I speak to Sarah, please? Say it. Can I speak to... Number 32. I'll call you back. This means you'll phone again later. For example, I'm busy now, I'll call you back. Try it. I'll call you back.
Number 33. Who's this? Use this if you don't know the caller. For example, hello, who's this? Say it. Who's this? Number 34. Hold on, please. This asks someone to wait. For example, hold on, please, I'll check. Say it. Hold on, please.
Number 35. Can you hear me? Use this to check the connection. For example, can you hear me? It's noisy here. Say it. Can you hear me? These are great for calls. Let's do travel phrases next.
Number 36. Where's the nearest? This asks for locations. For example, where's the nearest bus stop? Say it. Where's the nearest? Number 37. How do I get to? This is for directions. For example, how do I get to the museum? Try it. How do I get to?
Number 38. Is this the right way? Use this to confirm directions. For example, is this the right way to the station? Say it. Is this the right way? Number 39. I missed my flight. This is for travel problems. For example, I missed my flight. Can you help? Say it. I missed my flight.
Number 40. Can I have a ticket, please? This is for buying tickets. For example, can I have a ticket to London, please? Say it. Can I have a ticket, please? These are so useful for travel. Sophie, let's do small talk.
Small talk keeps conversations going. Number 41. Nice weather today. Use this to talk about weather. For example, nice weather today, isn't it? Say it, nice weather today. Number 42. What's new with you? This asks for updates. For example, what's new with you, Tom? Try it. What's new with you?
Number 43. That sounds fun. This shows interest. For example, you went hiking? That sounds fun. Say it. That sounds fun. Number 44. How's your family? This is friendly and personal. For example, how's your family doing? Say it. How's your family?
Number 45. I had a great weekend. Share your experiences. For example, I had a great weekend at the beach. Say it. I had a great weekend. These make chats lively. Let's do work phrases.
Number 46. I'm running late. This means you're delayed. For example, I'm running late for the meeting. Say it. I'm running late. Number 47. Can we reschedule? This asks to change a time. For example, can we reschedule the call? Try it. Can we reschedule?
Number 48. I'll get back to you. This means you'll respond later. For example, I'll get back to you with the report. Say it. I'll get back to you. Number 49. Let's set up a meeting. This plans a meeting. For example, let's set up a meeting for Monday. Say it. Let's set up a meeting.
Number 50. Good job. This praises someone. For example, good job on the project. Say it. Good job. We're at 50, Sophie. Let's do 25 more, quick-fire style.
Let's speed up. Number 51. I'm sorry, I'm busy. Say it. I'm sorry, I'm busy. Number 52. Can you repeat that? Try it. Can you repeat that? Number 53. That's a great idea. Say it. That's a great idea. Number 54. I'm feeling tired. Try it. I'm feeling tired. Number 55. Let me check. Say it. Let me check.
Number 56. What time is it? Try it. What time is it? Number 57. I'll take care of each eat. Say it, I'll take care of it. Number 58. No problem. Try it. No problem. Number 59. I'm on my way. Say it. I'm on my way. Number 60. See you tomorrow. Try it. See you tomorrow.
Number 61. I'm starving. Say it. I'm starving. Number 62. Can I join you? Try it. Can I join you? Number 63. It's up to you. Say it. It's up to you. Number 64. I'm confused. Try it. I'm confused. Number 65. Let's do it. Say it. Let's do it.
Number 66. Take your time. Try it. Take your time. Number 67. I'll be right back. Say it. I'll be right back. Number 68. What's the plan? Try it. What's the plan? Number 69. You need a break. Say it. I need a break. Number 70. Sounds good. Try it. Sounds good.
Number 71. I'm excited. Say it. I'm excited. Number 72. Can you wait a sec? Try it. Can you wait a sec? Number 73. It's not a big deal. Say it. It's not a big deal. Number 74. I'll let you know. Try it. I'll let you know. Number 75. Thanks for your help. Say it. Thanks for your help.
Wow, Sophie, we did it. 75 phrases. Listeners, these are your tools to sound natural in English. Let's practice 3 phrases together. Repeat after us. How's it going? Can you help me, please? Sounds good. Awesome job. Sophie, any tips for using these phrases?
Yes. First, practice one category at a time, like greetings or shopping. Use them in real life. Say, how much is this at a store? Second, record yourself saying the phrases to hear your pronunciation. Third, be confident. Even if you make mistakes, people will understand. James, what's your tip?
Mix these phrases into your routine. For example, say, "What's up?" to a friend or "Can I have the bill?" at a cafe. Start small, and soon they'll feel natural. Listeners, here's a challenge. Use 5 phrases this week and tell us in the comments which ones you tried. We'll read every comment.
Absolutely. And if you want a PDF of all 75 phrases, check the link in the description. It's free and perfect for practice. James, what's your favorite phrase from today?
I love "catch you later." It's so cool and casual. What's yours, Sophie?
That's a great idea. It's positive and works everywhere. Listeners, what's your favorite phrase? Comment below and let's chat.
Thanks for listening to the English Leap podcast. If you love this episode, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more English tips. Share this with a friend who's learning English. It'll help them too.
Keep practicing these phrases and you'll sound fluent in no time. See you in the next episode. Bye!
Catch you later.